If I lost everything today, no money, no internet, no network, and had to start from zero, here's exactly how I built a 10 lakh rupees a month business in just 90 days. My clients have done it. Now I will show you the roadmap. Let's go. First, let's reset your mindset. No more victim mentality. We are not broke. We are resourceful. We have got time, internet, hunger, and that's all we need. Now, step one, believe that your skills is equal to income. Pick a high demand skill that pays well in 2025. AI automation, video script writing, no code web development, digital marketing, and there are bunch of skills. Learn for free from YouTube, ChatGPT, and free courses. And you don't have to overthink. You just need to be good enough to solve a problem. Now, go to ChatGPT, use your brain. Whatever the skills you have, you just ask ChatGPT, this is my skill and I need to get clients in the next 24 hours. What are the ways? ChatGPT will list a lot of various ways. Pick any way and try it out. Now, I will start reaching out to my potential clients, those who are in need of my services, and I will offer them 15 days free trial, or I will work for free just to build a portfolio or a testimonial video so that I can create a proof of work. And now, once I see that a lot of people are looking for this skill or looking for the services that I provide, I'll start charging high ticket. And once I see a lot of people, a lot of clients looking for the similar services, I'll start increasing my prices. And if you are a beginner looking to learn step by step, I have added my Instagram link in the description. Just click on the link and message me over there, and I'll definitely help you out with the things that you require. Once you know this is the right product market fit, the skills that you have, and people are also looking for the similar kind of services, that is the right product market fit, and you can create it as a service, retainer fee. You can charge it 20,000, 30,000, 50,000 a month, depending upon the expertise that you have and the solutions that you can help them with. And if you can really promise them, and if you can really provide them the solution, you'll start getting referrals. You can scale it through paid ads, and that's what I'm gonna do it if I had to start again from scratch. This is Darshit, and I will see you in the next video. Subscribe and share this video with your friends if they are also looking to scale in 2025.